Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete steps on how to switch your Instagram account from personal to business. Using your iPhone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to switch. Then click your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. Scroll down and here, you'll see the option to switch to professional account and click Next. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose a category that best describes what you do. For example, blogger, clothing store, artist, public figure, and so on. Pick the one that fits you best. You can also choose whether or not you want this category to be visible on your profile. Once you've selected your category, tap Switch to Professional Account. Now you'll be asked to choose between two types of professional accounts, Creator or Business. Since we're focusing on the business account, select Business, or you can choose Creator, then tap Next, then click Next again. Instagram may now ask you to review your contact information, like your email address, phone number, or business address. This info will be displayed on your profile if you choose to show it, so customers can reach you easily. Edit or skip as needed, then continue. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Instagram account from personal to business. You're now ready to take your Instagram presence to the next level. Whether you're managing a brand, running a shop, or just want deeper analytics, the business account gives you all the tools to grow. I think that's enough tutorial for this video. Good luck and see you in the next video.